Welcome to our Math 10 Statistics project. Our project involves the movies, where people go, why they see them, and how old they are. This is a comprehensive breakdown of our project by Nykyforuk, Chris Apps, and Scott Hess.
Samples we have taken are from two different vehicles, both Cineplex Odeon Kirkentopher and Silver City Metropolis. We interviewed 40 people from all different age groups, both of these theaters, just to see why people go to movies.
Movies, they're all around us, and in our lives almost all the time. We decided to take an in-depth look at what drives this underground society of movies.
And so, our epic journey begins.
Welcome to the limit. Take it maybe one step.
The questions we asked were, number one, what films are you going to see, or which films you have seen?
The Italian Job.
X-Men 2?
20 of the 40 people we surveyed were going to see the film Finding Nemo.
This means that 50% of the total people surveyed were going to see Finding Nemo.
This graph indicates how many people went to each movie. The second most popular movie was Bruce Almighty.
Have you ever felt
I'm Bruce Nolan for Eyewitness News.
Hey, Wacky Bruce!
unappreciated?
In the newsroom, we don't wear hairnets.
God, why do you hate me? Have you ever thought life
What are you doing over there?
was unfair?
Jim Carrey flick.
Oh, Bruce Almighty, okay.
Bruce Almighty.
Bruce Almighty.
Bruce Almighty.
To recap, these are results from question 1. 20 out of the 40 people went to Finding Nemo, 4 went to X-Men 2, and 4 went to The Italian Job.
While 6 went to Bruce Almighty, 2 went to Down with Love, and only 1 to Holes.
2 people went to Matrix 2, and only 1 person went to Wrong Turn.
That has been a recap of question 1. Question number 2.
Why did you want to see this particular film?
Entertainment, and I saw X-Men 1.
Okay.
This graph shows why people go to the movies.
We discovered that people wanted to go to the movies mostly because they wanted to laugh.
The second most popular reason for going to the movies was because of media and hype.
Looks funny.
Looks funny? Okay. Movies these days are leading aggressive marketing campaigns, and their ads can be found in the newspaper, on the TV, and on the computer. We found that 21% of all the people we asked said they went to the movies because of media and or hype.
Well, I'm a sucker for a car chase.
This graph shows the age groups and their corresponding reasons for going out to the movies. As you can see, most people 25 and up went to the movies to laugh. We deduct from this that older people need a laugh or two after a hard day's of work. Also, it is noted that most teens go to the movies for action.
Action? To recap, these are the results we gathered from the question why people go to the movies. We found that 16% of people went to the movies for action and 0% of people went to the movies because they were bored.
Meanwhile, 36% went because of laughs, and 11% went because it was recommended to them.
21% went because of hype and or media, and 16% went because of other
Reasons.
Question number 3 was regarding their age.
14.
Okay, well, I know this is personal buff, but I take it you do look like you're in your 20s. But are you 25 or older?
I'm 25 and older, yeah.
Alright. And are you
Big 3-8.
shows the ages of the moviegoers we interviewed. We noted that 24% of the people we surveyed said they were in between the ages of 5 to 10. This is probably because of the extreme popularity of the children's movie Finding Nemo.
It was also found that 24% of the other moviegoers were 25 and up. This is probably because of parents taking their kids to the film Finding Nemo.
And how old are you?
16.
Okay, this is a graph that shows the age of the moviegoers and which movies they went to see.
We saw that in all age categories, the most popular film was Finding Nemo. However, in 10 to 13, the story was clearly different.
In the 10 to 13 range, the most popular movie was Bruce Almighty.
We noted that going to the movies is a particularly popular activity for teenagers these days. As you can see, many teens partake in the activity of going to the movies.
Number 4, how are you planning to purchase concession?
Are you going to buy anything from the snack bar?
This graph shows how many people did or didn't buy food at the concession. As you can see, 19 of the 40 people said no, they would not.
Also, 21 of the people said yes, they would. Some people, actually many, would rather purchase their food at an alternate location, like the Save on Foods here, thus saving them large amounts of money.
Need to purchase concession?
Definitely, we're gonna go to Save On. Stock
Yeah. And are you going to purchase anything at the concession stand?
No, I'm on a diet.
Okay. However, when I went to see this movie, I chose to bypass the easy way out. I thought that maximum action and maximum food equals maximum entertainment.
It is our destiny. I believe this night holds for each and every one of us the very meaning of our lives.
This graph shows the ages of the moviegoers and whom purchased or did not purchase concession. The group with the highest amount of people saying yes to concession was the 5 to 10 age. The group with the highest amount of people saying no was the age 25 and up.
And 5, did you come with anyone? If so, how many?
Okay. Did you come with anyone else?
Just my brother.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. And did you go with anyone beside yourself?
Yeah, me.
Shows how many people the moviegoers came with. We noticed that 20% of people come with one other person, 37% of people came with two other people, and 20% of people came with three other people.
14% of people came in a group of 4, while 9% of people came with a party of 5 and up.
It can also be noted that teens like to go in groups of friends, or hordes if you will.
How were you coming with your night?
4.
Okay.
In the end, this project was an excellent learning experience. We saw it, we found, we discovered.
We are also surprised about some observations in different categories.
For example, I was surprised when I saw so many adults and teenagers going to see the top film, Finding Nemo.
I was surprised at how many people didn't purchase concession.
I was surprised that so little people were going to see this summer's supposed blockbuster hit, The Matrix Reloaded.
What were you surprised about?
Did you learn anything new?
What are your personal movie-going habits?
Please tell us your thoughts and share any comments that you have about this presentation.
Baby, don't you forget about me. Don't you forget about me. Will you stand above me? Look my